Tashkent, the capital city of Uzbekistan, is a bustling metropolis that serves as the political, economic, and cultural hub of the country. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and modern amenities, Tashkent offers visitors an exciting blend of the ancient and the contemporary. Whether you are drawn to historic monuments, lush parks, or dynamic markets, this city has something to offer every traveler. Here is a detailed guide to 12 must-see attractions in Tashkent that will help you uncover the essence of this fascinating city. 1. Khast Imam Complex. The Khast Imam Complex stands as one of the most important religious sites in Tashkent. This sprawling complex houses several significant buildings, including the Barak Khan Madrasa, the Tilla Sheikh Mosque, and the Muyi Mubarak Mosque, which contains one of the oldest copies of the Quran. The architecture of the complex is a splendid example of traditional Islamic design, characterized by intricate tilework and grand domes. The serene atmosphere and historical significance make it a must-visit for anyone interested in the spiritual and cultural heritage of Uzbekistan. 2. Registan Square. While not in Tashkent itself, but in Samarkand, Registan Square is crucial for understanding the historical context of Uzbekistan. It's worth a detour if you're exploring the broader region. This architectural masterpiece is renowned for its stunning ensemble of 3 madrasas, the Ulugh Beg Madrasa, Sherdor Madrasa, and Tilya Kori Madrasa, each adorned with breathtaking tile mosaics and majestic minarets. It represents the pinnacle of Islamic architecture in Central Asia and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 3. Amir Timur Square. Amir Timur Square is the heart of Tashkent, celebrating the legacy of Amir Timur, the famous conqueror and founder of the Timurid Empire. At the center of the square stands a grand statue of Amir Timur on horseback, surrounded by lush gardens and elegant fountains. The square is flanked by significant buildings, including the Government House and the International Hotel, making it a central gathering place and a prime example of modern urban planning in Tashkent. 4. The Tashkent TV Tower, also known as the Television Tower, is an impressive modern landmark that offers panoramic views of the city. Standing at 375 meters, it is one of the tallest structures in Central Asia. Visitors can take an elevator to the observation deck, where they can enjoy a 360-degree view of Tashkent and the surrounding area. The tower also houses a revolving restaurant, making it a perfect spot for dining with a view. 5. Independence Square, or Mustaqilik Maidoni, is a symbol of Uzbekistan's sovereignty and national pride. The square is adorned with several monuments, including the towering Independence Monument and the Happy Family Monument, which represent the country's transition to independence and its commitment to its people. The beautifully landscaped gardens and impressive fountains add to the square's appeal, making it a popular place for leisurely strolls and public celebrations. 6. Chorsu Bazaar is one of the largest and most vibrant markets in Tashkent. Located in the heart of the old city, this bustling bazaar is a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. It offers a wide range of products, from fresh produce and spices to traditional crafts and textiles. The market's distinctive dome structure and lively atmosphere provide an authentic glimpse into the daily life of Tashkent's residents and are a must-see for anyone interested in local culture. 7. The Museum of Applied Arts showcases a rich collection of traditional Uzbek crafts and decorative arts. Housed in a beautifully restored 19th century mansion, the museum features exhibits on textiles, ceramics, metalwork, and woodcraft. The intricate designs and vibrant colors of the displayed items reflect the skill and creativity of Uzbek artisans, offering a deep appreciation for the country's artistic heritage. 8. The Navoy Theater is a stunning example of Soviet-era architecture and a premier venue for performing arts in Tashkent. Named after the famous Persian poet Alisher Navoy, the theater hosts a variety of performances, including opera, ballet, and classical music concerts. The theater's grand facade and opulent interior, complete with ornate chandeliers and plush seating, make it a cultural highlight of the city. 9. The Botanical Garden in Tashkent is a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Covering an extensive area, the garden features a diverse collection of plant species from around the world. Visitors can enjoy leisurely walks along well-maintained paths, explore themed sections such as the Rose Garden and Medicinal Plant Area, and relax by serene water features. The garden is an ideal spot for nature enthusiasts and families looking for a tranquil escape. 10. The Hazrat Imam Complex is another significant religious site in Tashkent, closely associated with the city's spiritual history. This complex includes several notable buildings, such as the Barak Khan Madrasa and the Moyi Mubarak Library, which houses valuable manuscripts, including the famous Quran of Caliph Uthman. The intricate architecture and historical artifacts make this complex a profound destination for those interested in Islamic heritage. 11. The State Museum of History of Uzbekistan provides a comprehensive overview of the country's rich history from ancient times to the present. The museum's extensive collection includes archaeological finds, historical documents, and artifacts that illustrate Uzbekistan's development over the centuries. Exhibits cover various aspects of Uzbek history, including the Silk Road, the Timurid era, and the Soviet period, offering visitors an informative and engaging experience. 12. Alisher Navoy Central Park is a large urban park dedicated to the renowned poet and philosopher Alisher Navoy. The park features beautifully landscaped gardens, walking paths, and recreational areas, making it a popular spot for relaxation and outdoor activities. The park also includes several monuments and fountains, adding to its charm. It is an ideal place for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or simply enjoying the natural beauty of Tashkent. Tashkent, with its rich historical heritage and dynamic modernity, offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. From the spiritual significance of the Khast Imam Complex to the bustling energy of Chorsu Bazaar, each attraction provides a unique perspective on the city's diverse character. Whether you're exploring ancient monuments, enjoying cultural performances, or relaxing in tranquil parks, Tashkent promises a memorable and immersive journey through the heart of Uzbekistan.